In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy and paste attributes in CapCut. This is a really useful feature when you want several clips in your project to share the same look or the same settings without having to redo all the adjustments from scratch every single time. Things like color corrections, filters, speed changes, and other effects can all be applied much faster using this method. First, make sure you're using the CapCut desktop app, not the web version. Open the project you want to work on and look down at the bottom of your screen. This is your project's timeline, where all your clips are laid out in order. Find the clip that already has the adjustments or effects you like. This will be your source clip, the one you want to copy attributes from. Click on that clip to select it, then right-click on the clip to open the context menu. In that menu, move your cursor over the option that says Copy Paste Attributes. A small side menu will appear. From there, select Copy Attributes. What you've just done is copy all of the adjustable settings from that clip, so CapCut is now ready to apply them to other clips. Next, decide which clip or clips you want to paste those attributes onto. These should be the clips that you want to match in style or settings. Click on the target clip in the timeline to select it. Again, right-click on the clip, hover over Copy Paste Attributes, and this time choose Paste Attributes. When you do this, a pop-up window will appear. This window lists the specific attributes you're about to paste, such as color adjustments, filters, or other effects that were active on the original clip. This is where you can customize what carries over. If there are any attributes you don't want to apply to this new clip, simply uncheck the box next to that attribute. This is especially handy if you want to copy, for example, only the color correction but not the speed change, or vice versa. Take a moment to review the list and make sure you're only pasting what you actually need. Once you're happy with your selection, go to the bottom right corner of the pop-up and click Paste. CapCut will now apply those chosen attributes to your selected clip. And that's it. You've successfully copied and pasted attributes in CapCut, which can save you a lot of time and help keep your edits consistent across your project.